Oh, Miss Jane Seymour, thank you so much. You're on with the Anglophile channel. Yes, we're the first web channel dedicated completely to the Anglophile and all who love Britain.
Okay, well then you got the right movie, haven't you?
Exactly. You have starred in the quintessential romantic movie of all time. Anytime I get stressed out with the real world, I pop in Somewhere in Time. And then all the seasons on Dr. Quinn, Medicine Woman, which I absolutely love. So what was it like as an actress to just suddenly make that turn and play the mother in Wedding Crashers and then Mrs. Whittle, the character in Wattlesworth?
You know what? I just love doing comedy. I love comedies anyway. And, when I first started out as an actress, I used to do comedy in the theatre, but no one ever let me do comedy most of my life. And when I got the chance to do it, I'm now doing a lot of comedy, mostly comedy.
Because you were beautiful and you were the face of romance. I mean, when people thought of romantic movies, they thought of you.
Yeah, well, now I get to ruffle the feathers a little bit.
What was it like working with all these gorgeous British men in their fluffy white shirts?
First of all, I'm insanely mad about Bret McKenzie because of Flight of the Conchords, and he's not really British. And the interesting thing is, JJ and everybody, Georgia, all these Brits that I worked with, they all moved to LA. So
I know.
I'm in LA now, which is hysterical. I mean, I was the first to come. I established my place here in 1976, but no, there was a mass exodus after the film. I don't know what happened. There must have been something in the tea.
I think it's you. So are you having afternoon tea parties for them?
No, I did an afternoon tea party for some of the writers, the correspondents for Austenland, but no, they come over and barbecue at my house. We go American.
So tell our viewers, because they're dying to know, you're an OBE honored by the Queen. What was that honor like for you?
Oh, it was fantastic. I couldn't believe it. The consul general came to my house in Malibu and said he had something secret to tell me that I wasn't allowed to tell anyone. And I thought, oh my gosh, it's going to be two things. Either they're going to ask me to spy, which won't be any good because I'm useless at lying, or they want me to donate any money I have to something British. And instead of which, he told me that the Queen was honouring me for Officer of the British Empire.
Momentous moment in your life.
Fantastic. It was incredible. And I went to the palace and did the whole thing. It was great.
That's lovely. Thank you so much for talking to the Anglophile channel.